Confirmation hearings for Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson begin today in D.C. If confirmed, she will make history as the first black female justice on the High Court. Our Washington correspondent Joe St. George shows us what is expected to happen this week.
President Biden wants Judge Jackson to be confirmed to the U.S. Supreme Court. But before you can work here, well, let's go on a walk, shall we? You need to get the approval of the men and women who work here, specifically a majority in the U.S. Senate.
After a few weeks of meeting privately with senators, this week is when the public questioning will begin. As a reminder, Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson is a former public defender and a current federal appeals court judge in D.C. She's 51, which means she could easily serve for decades. And when she was confirmed to the appellate court in 2013, only 3 Republicans voted for her. So what are the main things to watch? While opening statements start Monday, don't expect the questioning to begin until Tuesday. The hearing should conclude on Thursday. Senator Dick Durbin of Illinois will lead the questioning for Democrats. Republican Chuck Grassley will lead the questioning for Republicans. Look for the toughest questions from these Republicans, though. All sit on the Judiciary Committee, and some are expected to run for president one day.
You may be wondering, what's the point of these public hearings? Well, if Judge Jackson is going to be confirmed as a justice in the U.S. Supreme Court and no Republican votes for her, she'll need every single Democratic senator, including moderates like Senator Joe Manchin, who has yet to pledge his full support.
Some of the most controversial topics will be Judge Jackson's time defending Guantanamo Bay detainees, her past sentences for some sex offenders, which some conservatives say were too lenient. Democrats will be asking about her views on abortion. She hasn't had many rulings, although it's assumed she supports the right to have one. The White House has been prepping Jackson for weeks for this historic moment. The last time a nominee failed to get confirmed following a confirmation hearing was Robert Bork back in 1987. He was an academic, though, with a very public, controversial record. Judge Jackson's past is less polarizing. In Washington, I'm Joe St. George.